I'm S. Raju and I'm the managing partner here in Selvam Process. And this unit, Selvam Process, was established in 1990 by my father. And I came in here during 97. And from then on, it was me who has taken it forward. And we earlier had all conventional ranges. And now we have up to Goller continuous bleaching range. We have the entire range of open width up to compacting. When any fabric is given in the grey form, we take care it is finished and given ready to cut. And we are sorted out by many of the customers, exporters here in Tirupur. And we have been in fact giving them good quality and servicing them. And we have been reputable in this area.
Sir, what made you to switch over from conventional tubular processing to open with knit finishing?
Now the conditions and the quality requirements are becoming more stringent, and to get along with the market, we'll have to get into an open with finishing range.
So you might have seen many brands before concluding your decision to go in for open with knit bleaching. What made you to settle with Goller open with bleaching is?
Actually, to say frankly, there are about only 2 brands which are so long come up with knit process for continuous bleaching. And in China, when I was there, I've seen about, I hear that there are about 70 plus units which are running. And for myself, I have seen 2-3 units which are functioning. And looking into the quality aspects and the continuous promptness in the quality and in the delivery schedules, I thought it would be better. Having seen it in working, I thought it would be better to go in for Goller continuous range.
Sir, how was the bleaching results in terms of absorbency, consistency and overall quality performance from the range?
Regarding absorbency, it was immediate, and that's why we are working on a lot of printing lots. And as you know, printing lots always require better absorbency, and we have been getting more orders of printing lots as well. And regarding all other aspects, the elongation property is very well sustainable. Even when compared to a normal soft flow or exhaust dye, we have been able to give better results nowadays. And we have been getting repeated orders just because of the quality and the commitment that we have been giving forward.
Sir, how economical is the range in terms of utilities? And is there any labor saving compared to the conventional process?
Yeah, definitely. When it is an exhaust, you need about 2 to 3 persons for loading, unloading, and you can maximum go in for 4 to 5 batches a week. And it is again, you will start having lot variations within batches. But here, when it is in CPR, okay, 2 to 3 people are enough, and you can run the whole range in a day. And once when you have that quantity commitment, it is easier to run the machine. So whenever you get into quantity, then your overheads and your people labor involved and all other cost savings actually happens. And the drum washer helped in getting better loading the liquor ratio, and we are able to do it in 10 to 11 liters per